Independence Day celebrated annually on August 15th in India. Independence Day marks the end of British rule in 1947 and the establishment of a free and independent Indian nation. Many brave freedom fighters had sacrificed their blood and soul for the independence of our country. There are numerous freedom fighters in India who have fought against the British rule. Take a look at the rare pictures of Indian freedom fighters who dedicated their lives for India's freedom. This is the picture of Subhas Chandra Bose, an Indian nationalist who fought the British during the Second World War. This is the picture when Mahatma Gandhi leading the Salt March in protest against the government monopoly on salt production. This is the picture of Jawaharlal Nehru and Subhas Chandra Bose with Indian freedom fighters on 7th April 1930. This is the picture of Lal Bahadur Shastri when he was the second Prime Minister of India and a senior leader of the Indian National Congress political party. He joined the Indian independence movement in the 1920s. In this image, Mahatma Gandhi waiting for a car outside Bifla House, Bombay, on his return from Rajkot. Amongst the group with him are Pandit Nehru and Vallabhbhai Patel. Rabindranath Tagore, poet and philosopher posing with the Countess Anna de Noailles. Tagore received the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913, the first Asian writer to do so, and was knighted in 1915, an honor which he resigned in 1919 as a protest against British policy in the Punjab. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru with Mahatma Gandhi. Egyptian President Gamal Abdel Nasser is greeted by Indian Premier Jawaharlal Nehru, India President Rajendra Prasad, and his Vice President Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan at his arrival at New Delhi Airport for an official visit to India. Indian spiritual leader Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, known as the Mahatma Gandhi, speaks with Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose, President of the Indian National Congress in Haripura, during a political meeting. Jawaharlal Nehru, President of the Indian Congress, with his daughter, future Indian Prime Minister Indira Nehru, in Bombay. Mahatma Gandhi at Boulogne Station with Mrs. Sarojini Naidu, on the way to England to attend the Round Table Conference as the representative of the Indian nationals.